So guys, right here, this is the key of how you get a public profile that nobody is talking about. Yo, what's up guys? It's Josh or Fusion here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a public profile on Snapchat. So just quickly, if you guys would be cool enough to go add my Snapchat, I'll be posting some helpful stuff on my story, showing you guys how to get public profiles and helping you guys one-on-one. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and Google Snapchat support. So I'll leave a link down below. It's going to come up with this like Snapchat help form. So all you guys are going to want to do in here, you're going to type in public profile, and this second option right here, public profile and creator features FAQ, you're going to click on that. Then once you guys are on this page here, by the way, it will look exactly the same on mobile, so if you guys are on mobile, don't worry. You're just going to scroll down all the way to the bottom here. How do I receive these creator features? So guys, right here, this is the key of how you get a public profile that nobody is talking about. So pretty much here on this form, it says we're rolling out these features select accounts over the next few months. Please fill out this form to be considered. So I will click on the form and I'll walk you guys through that quickly. I just want to say I've been researching public profiles, guys, and there is pretty much 3 different ways to get a public profile. There is 1, you already have to be famous, and then you get a public profile because you're famous. 2, you get lucky. Some of these public profiles are just given out to random people. I know a few kids from my school and stuff that they're not famous, but they have a public profile. And then the third and final option is this one. It's to apply on the form and get accepted. So let's apply. Once we click on this form, it's gonna tell you to sign in to Google. All right, boom, we're signed in now. So please fill out this form to be considered. If granted, your profile should update automatically. So we're going to type in our name here, our Snapchat username, rough length of time creating on Snapchat. I'm pretty sure what this is talking about is how long have you been using Snapchat for. I'm just going to say 4 years. Instagram username, if applicable. Guys, I think I'm going to use the account with more followers. TikTok username. So guys, I'm pretty sure the only reason that it's going to be asking for your social medias here is because they're pretty much checking to see if you're an influencer. I'm going to be honest with you guys, if you only have like 100 subscribers on YouTube, they're probably going to reject you. If you have other social medias such as like a TikTok with like 10,000 followers, put that down here, because if you have anything that shows you have any sort of credibility, put that down. That's why I'm putting my TikTok that has like 5,000 followers, and I'm putting down my YouTube. Now this last box, what information should we know? Guys, in this box, you should be detailing why you should have a public profile. Write all of like the good things about you. For my little message I'm putting here, guys, I'm going to be putting, hey, I'm Josh. I run a YouTube channel and a website that goes by FUZIONHERE. I would love to have a public profile on Snapchat so that I could more easily connect with my customers and fans. Now, if you don't have a YouTube channel or a website, you could put something like, I like to connect with my Snapchat followers and make Snapchat lenses, something like that to grab the attention of Snapchat. And now that we're done with this form, we have everything filled out, we're just gonna click submit, and boom, we're all done, guys. So guys, I really hope this video helped you out. Again, add my Snapchat, I'll be helping some of you guys out. We can start streaks, it will be a fun party. But anyways guys, thank you for watching. This has been Josh with Fusion here. Drop a like and subscribe if this video helped you, and I'll see you guys next time.
I see. Talk to me nice. I don't talk at all. I'll make it go on this road.